Hey everybody, welcome to Hex Token channel. In this video, we're going to go look at the latest results. Let's go, hex.com. And of course, day 831 hot off the press, 12th of March 2020. And we're up 4.7%. We'll take that. And we're at 12.8 cents. Nice. Return on investment multiplier from all-time low, 5th of January 2020. There's a 2,272x at the moment. That excludes staking. Let's have a look at the T-share results. This is the magic of Hex, folks. If you understand this, you'll be doing pretty well. And of course, the Hex payouts per T-share, that's trillions of shares, is 5.96x per T-share. The T-share price at the moment, 2,702. Of course, that's determined by the share rate and the Hex price. And of course, here we are. The T-share rate is at 21,073 dot day, so no increase today. Let's have a look at the average stake length, 6.34 years, the same as yesterday. The annual percentage yield rate, interest and early in-state penalties, 37.73%. Very, very nice. Liquidity in the pool, 231.5 million X, down dramatically from yesterday. And of course, liquidity in the pool, almost $26.4 million US dollars and 2,500 Ethereum. Let's look at the valuations. Locked value, 7.92 billion. Market cap, including Origin account, 74 billion. T-share market cap 28.93 billion. And of course, the T-shares up at 10,000. That's pretty massive. T-shares up to 10,706,000. That's a pretty nice day in the office there. All right, cool. Let's have a look at the supply numbers. Inflation is up 21 million. And of course, total supply is at 638, almost 639 billion. Circulating supply is down almost 24 million to 577.2 billion. Let's look at the staked amount there, and the staked is at 44.7 million. That's a nice increase in staking. Another couple of good days there actually. We're at almost 61.8 billion Hex is staked. Very cool. Good accounting down 1 million, and the total percentage of coins staked is 9.67%. So it's up slightly. Hex payout, 3.8 million Hex, and of course deferred into the future. This is deferred inflation. Penalties at 425,000, another sort of average day there. And of course, let's have a look at the holder numbers, growing very, very nicely, 578 to 433,571. Stakers up 434 to 86,000. Woohoo, heading up towards 90. And of course, the total stakers up 448 to 108, 267, and current holders up 36 to 285, 909. That is today's results for day 831, folks. Let's jump to the Hex price. Hex price just moving around on the hourly chart there. And of course, is currently 12.7 cents. So let's go up to the full chart here. We can see we're in this big triangle, trying to break out of that, of course. We're just bouncing off the bottom of it. Let's have a look here. So we had very bullish, still in a nice little uptrend here. So obviously want this to continue and, break out. So we're already breaking out of this resistance here in this little wedge. And that's just with time and with the uptrend there. And of course, we want this to continue. I think we're probably coming up, if we're going to take this down a little bit, to around about the 20 cent mark. We want to just keep sort of moving up here in this direction. So we'll keep watching out for that. But once again, really, we're broken out of this particular wedge here. And we're sitting at around about the average of, just below the average of the Bollinger Band, which is 13 cents. So let's have a look to see whether we can get to that by the end of the day. So still quite a few hours to go for the current day, day 13. All right, let's have a look at the DMI quickly to see how that's going. And of course, the sellers have just pulled off a little bit. Sellers have pulled off a little bit, but the size buyers. So we'll just have to see how that goes. All right, let's jump over to the markets. Bitcoin BTC looking good, 39,000. Pretty happy with this. 26. Staying around this range is pretty good. And of course, the T-share rate at the moment, $2,680. And you can sort of see a very good buying of T-shares at the moment. Obviously, if the Hex price returns to all-time high, that's going to be 12,000 rather than 2,500 to get a T-share. Adoption up and to the right, and that's going to supercharge when Pulsechain happens. The T-share rate is up and to the right. Payouts per Hex per T-share, just awesome. Over 6 a lot of the time. So look at the global stakes the next 15 years. We're going to zoom in on this short-term period here, 11 months. And what we got going on here, let's scroll down. We can see that we're coming out of this heavy stake period here. So by the end of the 31st of March, we've got 151,000 T shares. And the end of April, we've got 372,000. A nice little gap here at the moment. So yeah, let's see if we can launch in April. Would be pretty cool. 15th is the earliest date I've got at the moment. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that one. That's the update today. Catch me in the live stream in a few hours' time. And subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.